guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shay Devon back with another video. So guys, for everyone that are new, welcome, and if you have been here, welcome back. So I just want to do a little story time, but before we get into the story time, I just want you all to know that here on this channel you will get all the motherfucking day. All right. So anyway, I'm outside. It's beautiful. Y'all might hear the birds chirping and everything. But y'all, let me tell y'all. So most of y'all know I moved from Virginia to South Carolina in February. Okay. The beginning of February. All right. So what y'all don't know is I actually moved out of my parents' home because I was saving money up. You know, that was my goal. I moved to save money up and whatever. Boom, boom, boom. So I wasn't living with my mom. I was living with my stepmom, y'all. And we're gonna get into it, y'all. So with this happening, I moved in February, March, April. The end of April, y'all, I moved out. Like, I won't there a good 2 months. You know what I'm saying? So it was like it just didn't work out. We're just gonna keep it at it didn't work out. Okay, we're gonna keep it at that, right? And I want to get into that because I feel like a lot of people don't take into account when you're moving in with other people, how they choose to act different when you are around them more. You know what I mean? So yeah, that just didn't work out. So I was going to do a budget video about me, you know, staying at home with my stepmom or whatever, and moving back in with them or whatever. But I couldn't do that because I had to move out. Like, I moved out, got my own place, and I'll show y'all the little, you know, the little spot a little later. You know, I'll show y'all what I moved into. But yeah, this video is late. Y'all, it's late because I didn't want to put it out there, but I feel the need to now and explain, you know, my reasoning onto why I haven't posted it. You know what I mean? Like should I post this or should I not post it? But it is what it is. It happened, and yeah, we're not on talking terms. No, I'm still in South Carolina though. You know, but I just wanted to let y'all know, like, why I haven't put out the budget video yet, but I will be putting it out soon. Yeah, I'm gonna be putting that out soon because I'm getting my life back together, and some things are already to take into effect. Y'all, like, I just felt the need to say that because I had to get that off my chest, and it's been crazy. But yeah, I want everyone to know, like, moving in with your parents is like, it's draining because you're trying to you know, one, you're trying to prove to yourself that you can make it, you know, without your parents anyway. So when you're moving back, it's like, damn, you know, damn, I thought I had it, you know what I mean? But anyway, me moving out is more peaceful. I'm more calm. You know, I'm maintaining myself as usual. I've been doing this since I was, you know, younger. We're just gonna keep it there, younger. I've been doing this, so it's nothing new to me. But I want to let y'all know, when someone is trying to tear you down, and when they see less of you than where you see yourself, it's time to move on. You know what I mean? I just want to encourage someone, because if someone tells you you're not gonna be shit, you're nothing, you know, or, you know, you have no pot to piss in, if they keep knocking you down, and you know for a fact that they don't know you like that, you know what I mean? Like, they don't know you like that. It's time to move on, because at the end of the day, we are our own reality. We create our reality, you know what I mean? So if we are stuck in that mentality, oh well, such and such said I'm not gonna be shit, so I ain't gonna never be shit, then we're going to be stuck there, and that's not where we need to be. We need to be elevated. We need to elevate each other. If you're not in that particular space, you need to make some income, okay, and move out, okay, because at the end of the day, you don't need to be in that toxic environment. Not to say that happened to me. I'm just saying that those things does happen. It happens when a parent or someone in the household that is tearing you down. It's time for you to elevate and move forward. You know what I mean? Because we don't need that. We manifesting greatness over here. We don't need the negative energy, okay? So I just wanted to come to y'all and encourage y'all, stay strong. And, you know, if y'all need me, hit me up. You know, I will give you some encouragement. Put some encouraging quotes down in the comments or anything like that to help someone else. Bye guys, peace out.